Hey guys, it's Thespa. Welcome back to Resin Belle, and I am going to be working with this mold, and I have made a few videos from this mold before showing you how to create a blank, an acrylic blank, to create a mold, and then also another video showing you how to create a silicone mold using the same one. And today I'm going to be working with this one and creating a epoxy resin plaque for the wall, and I will be using some dried flowers. These came from Sophie and Toffee and in one of their monthly boxes, and then these are some that I picked during the summer and pressed, and I'll just be adding some of those flowers to some resin. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in just a minute. The next day, and it is looking kind of cool. I really like that these little wispies stayed in there. They're kind of a white pearl. I expected them to diffuse a little bit, kind of like the sides did. All of these sides just kind of diffused. You can see it better right here. They didn't keep their little swirly pattern, but the ones in the middle did, so I thought that was kind of neat. Just kind of interesting, so we're going to demold this and see what it looks like. That's going to be cute. That's going to be cute.